Okay, so our website's taken shape now. We've completed the header section and also the featured image and text. We'll then move down to creating the welcome section, which has got links to other sections of the website. So if we take a look at the finished website, the next part we're going to be creating is the latest offers section, and it's going to consist of a similar level 2 heading and divider to the last section. And then we're going to create a new row with 3 different special offers. And the 3 different offers are static text for now, but once we get to the WordPress section later on in the course, we'll make sure that the user can log in and change the values so they can keep the special offers up to date, even without any technical knowledge. So let's get started in the index page. So we'll get started with a comment, and this section is going to be called the latest offers. And we'll do that just below the welcome section that we done in the last video. So if we locate the closing section and then paste the comment just below there. So that's latest offers. Okay, so the latest offers will have its own section too. And this will have an ID of latest offers. Then within the section, we'll create the usual div with a class of container. And then because the row that we're going to be using is pretty much the same as the last section, we can just copy the div with the class of row, and we can reuse that. So paste that within the container. And then we need to change the level 2 heading to latest offers. And because this time we're on a purple background, let's change the divider to be the divider silver.png. And let's take a look at that. Okay, so there's our section with the level 2 heading and the divider. So we're just going to add one more custom class, which is going to be a class to add some margin to the bottom of the divider. If we look at the finished project, we need to make sure that the 3 divs below the divider are slightly pushed down from the image. So let's add the class to the row of margin bottom, and we'll add that margin in the next video in the CSS. And let's just add a closing comment to the container. So let's put the 3 special offers in their own row. So let's create a new div with a class of row. So we're going to create the 3 special offer divs, but we need to put those 3 special offer divs into a container. So we're going to put a full 12 column width container surrounding those. So div with a class of col sm12, and that'll create a full 12 column container. And because the 3 special offer sections are nested, we need to create a new row for those to go inside. So within the row, the first special offer is going to be div class col sm4, so it takes up 1/3 of the page. And also, so we can add our custom styles, we'll also add a custom class of offer. So to start, we need to put the price. We need to put price in the span tags, and then we'll put the name of the special offer in a level 3 heading, and then 2 separate paragraph tags just below. So for the price, the span, and then in between there, the first one had a price of $60. And then below that, in the level 3 heading, the name of the offer. So the first one is family offer. I'm just going to put a break tag in there. And then the p tags. So the first line of text was family pool. And then line 2 was great day out. So let's see how that's looking. So it's all there, but there's still a little bit of work to do with the CSS. But let's continue for now, adding the rest of the offers. So if we'll locate the div, in fact we'll add some comments first. So just copy the container comment, and then the first one is for the class of offer. The second one is call SM4. And then this is the row. In fact, this is the nested row. Then just below that, it's the 12 column wrapper. And then the final row container. So let's copy the full section for the special offer. And then let's paste it in twice, just below. So the second special offer had the price of $120, and this was a bridal package. So the name of the offer was For the Bride, and the first line of the text was hair and makeup. And lastly, it was the full pamper package. And then the last special offer was the weekend pass, which had a price of $90. So the name was Weekend Pass. The text was Modern Facilities. And the last one had the text of Perfect Gift. Okay, so back into the browser. That's all appearing fine, that's exactly how we want it. And join me in the next video and we'll continue with this section by adding the CSS.